Have you ever tried to display a multi-line alert description in your application, only to find that it just doesn't work? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to create a multi-line alert description using HTML in Ant Design. I totally get it. You want your alerts to be informative and visually appealing, but when the description is escaped, it can feel like you're hitting a wall. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, is there a way to have a multi-line alert description that also includes HTML tags? They pointed out that the description seems to be escaped, rendering any markup literally. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you try to include HTML in the alert description, it gets escaped, which means it won't render as you expect. This is a common issue when dealing with frameworks that prioritize security by escaping HTML to prevent XSS attacks. And don't go anywhere. I've got a neat workaround at the end that will help you achieve that multi-line alert description with HTML tags. To create a multi-line alert description with HTML support in Ant Design, the user should start by using the description prop of the alert component. This prop allows for rendering custom content. Next, the user should ensure that the content passed to the description prop is wrapped in a React fragment or a span. This allows for proper rendering of HTML elements. Additionally, the user can style the description using CSS to enhance its appearance. This can be done by applying custom classes or inline styles. Finally, the user should test the alert in their application to ensure that the multi-line description and HTML rendering work as expected. This can be done by running the application and checking the output. Fun fact, did you know that the first alert boxes in web browsers were just simple pop-ups with no styling? We've come a long way in making alerts more user-friendly and visually appealing. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for creating a multi-line alert description in Ant Design is provided by a user. They suggest using the alert component with HTML code directly in the description. For example, you can include console log statements wrapped in code tags and use line breaks for formatting. Here's the workaround I promised. Use the description prop with JSX elements to create a multi-line alert that looks great and includes any HTML you need. And there you have it. You can now create multi-line alert descriptions with HTML in Ant Design. Remember, experimenting with different props can lead to great results. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on enhancing your UI components.